Hi everyone, Happy Chef here. Happy Chef is my YouTube channel name. It means simply I can help you and show you how to cook. And you can help me, just click the subscribe button. If you do so, it will be nice. In the meantime, you will not miss my cooking video. HELP stands for Health Eating Leads People. I hope you eat healthy, enjoy more delicious food. Thank you for watching my video. So now I'm going to show you how to make the red bean paste filling. So I got the red kidney bean, so already soaked in the water overnight. So now you basically just drain the water out. So now add some water. So now put it in the high pressure cooker, probably 30 minutes cook. So the red bean already cooked, so we prepared for the red bean paste. So now add the sugar. So we use one rolling pin. So heat up a pan, add some oil. So fire slowly cook. Just try to reduce the moisture, and the flavor gonna be much better smell. So you have to keep going still. So now you can see much less moisture, so keep going cook. So now the bean paste really cooked, so can stick together. Yeah, but make sure the important tip is don't overly dehydrate it. So let it cooling down, so you can use that make a sesame bowl. Also you can save it in the freezer for like some when you make something.